all must have heard about reverse psychology. What I want to talk about just now is reverse physiology. Okay. See what happens when you are stressed, adrenaline and cortisol are secreted. I am repeating again, but it is required. Now, that causes a lot of reactions, right? Physical, emotional, blah, blah, blah. Now, the thing is that if we are not stressed and we tighten our body and we start breathing very fast, automatically you will become stressed. Do you know that? Try it. And the reverse is also true. When you are stressed and you are already going through these symptoms of body being very tight, ready to fight or fly away, okay, and our heart is palpitating very fast, we are breathing very fast and heavily, okay. At that point of time, if we just slow ourselves down, we just keep our eyes closed and take in very slow and long breaths, like do this a few times with me. You can do it slower than this also, and by the time you have taken in 7 to 8 to 10 breaths, you will realize that automatically your muscles have relaxed, your heart palpitation has reduced and your breathing has come back to normal. Now, this is a reverse physiology we are using, a reverse trick, so that instead of telling ourselves don't be stressed, don't be stressed, don't be stressed, we are just making ourselves not stressed by physically doing a few actions. One is breathing in slowly and letting out slowly, keeping our eyes closed. Even just keeping our eyes closed helps us to relax, because we cannot see the outside world and it sort of dissociates ourselves from the external world. So, just reversing this physiology by physically doing different things, we immediately on the spot become relaxed. When friends tell us nothing to worry about, be relaxed, but you do not know how. You want to be relaxed, obviously you are searching for help from your friends, but you are not able to do it because you do not know how. So, this is a very simple and basic way in which you can just take control of yourself once again slowly, and you will automatically feel a sense of calm and peace within you.